Theresa Hetherington is a volunteer worker with Unity, the NHS Alcohol and Drug Recovery Service for Cumbria, commissioned by the County Council. She advises people with drink problems on the help available to them. She has not had an alcoholic drink for years. 10 years ago, she became dependent on alcohol. The mother of two who lives in Carlisle sought help for her addiction, which she says was having a detrimental effect on her family life.
At the very worst times was 3 bottles of wine a day, and that was every day. That went on for several months, to the point where I did get arrested, and I got a suspended sentence. That was all alcohol related incidents.
What did you get arrested for?
It was an assault on a partner.
At what point in your life did you decide you needed help, that you wanted to do something about your alcohol dependency?
Then, when I was stood in the court, in the Crown Court, and I was looking at 2.5 years in prison, which scared me to death. You know, I'd never been in prison. I'd been in police cells, but I'd never been in prison, and I knew it was very, very close to going. Plus the fact that my health was suffering, my depression, my anxiety was worse. I just couldn't function, you know, without the alcohol. Lost so much weight, was very underweight. Plus the relationship with my sons was non-existent because of the way I was. They didn't want to know.
Unity offers help to around 800 people each year across Cumbria like Theresa. Many do not realise they have an alcohol problem and are referred to the service by a GP or the police. Were friends in your family prepared to talk about the issue, or did you find that there was a stigma about it?
It just wasn't talked about. Basically, it was kind of, well, why can't you just stop? And the simple answer to that is that you cannot just stop. It's an addiction, and it's very dangerous as well if you suddenly stop. If you are dependent on alcohol, you know, it can lead to life-threatening things, you know, such as seizures and one thing and another. But no, I didn't have any family support, really.
What message would you have to other people who find themselves in a similar situation to yourself?
What I would say is, you know, I'm proof that it is possible. Anything is possible, but go and seek the help. You know, pick up the phone, ask somebody, ask your friends, you know, if they know where, even ask somebody to go with you, you know, as a support. But, you know, seek the help, and, you know, there's always light at the end of the tunnel, you know, and things do get better.